Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I like to cook pork tenderloin or pork fillet. It's very inexpensive at the market. It's extremely lean. And you can see here there is that thick skin on top. So this is only part I remove. You grab it here and you put your knife against it to try to remove as you can. As you see, it's very lean. This is a pound. And I do 4 steaks. 1, 2, 4 steaks. And those are 4 ounces each, and they are perfectly fine. 1 tablespoon of butter in there. A little dash of oil. Yeah, salt, pepper. I'm cooking only 2. And you're going to start cooking them. They cook about 3-4 minutes on each side. They don't really need to be covered. I partially cover them only because of the splatter all over the place. But otherwise that's it. So we'll cook them 3-4 minutes, about on each side, and then we'll go on with the sauce. Okay, well, it's been cooking about 3.5-4 minutes on each side. I'm going to put a little bit of onion in there. So, in the dripping, that is cooked into the dripping here a little bit. My fillet are ready to be removed here. They should be just slightly pink in the center, and I have nice crystallization here. So I want to deglaze this. Sometimes I do stock, sometimes wine. This time I'm doing something a bit different, V8, and I like the acidity here, a bit of acidity, hotness, gotta create. So I put 1/4 cup here of that mixture, one after the other. So here is my the first part of it. I'm gonna put it right there, and then here again, with a dash of oil, I'm going to I have a couple of mushrooms here, which I'm going to really coarsely chop. Okay. You can put maybe to get it loose a little bit, tablespoon of water. And then I have 1/2 cup of corn here, those are frozen corn. That basically doesn't take no time at all to cook. Salt, pepper. Now I'm going to put some chives now. 1 or 2 tablespoons of chives. So here is my garnish here on one side, and maybe the other side. And here it is, a beautiful platter, pork tenderloin steak with corn and mushroom. Happy cooking.